So the first biggest pro is that basically you're forcing them to watch. Like they can't skip. They can't go anywhere. If they want to get to their, regularly scheduled YouTube program, they have to, wait that whole 15 seconds or that whole 16 seconds. So that's a really big pro for standard non-skippable ads. The next one is this can be really good for remarketing. So basically, if someone's come to your website or to your sales funnel and they haven't taken any action,
or they're warm,
or they're warm. If you have warm audiences, you can basically go out to these people and force them to watch, some kind of 15-second ad that you've just created for a particular product or service or whatever it may be. So it can be really, really useful and handy for remarketing.
Now, when we say warm, what do we mean by that? Like people who know, like, and trust your stuff. So people who bought your products, they follow you, they're on your email list, like those sorts of people, this can work really well for, because they don't mind hearing from you because they already, know, like, and trust you, right?
Yeah, that's right. And so the last one, guys, another big pro with these type of ads is basically they're great for brand awareness, right? So if you just want to get your name out there, you want to get your brand out there, these are really fantastic way, really economical way of just absolutely plastering YouTube and going out to all the masses.